When it comes to rigging a boat, especially in the kicker side of things, you have a couple different options. You know, one, you have a tiller style where you can control that kicker motor with the tiller, the throttle is on there as well. Or you have a remote style where basically you have your throttle controls here at the helm, and that's what I like to choose. And once again, it's all about preference when it comes to this, but the reason why I like to have a remote style kicker is because to me everything is done in my console. You know, when it comes to either starting my big engine, looking at my electronics, you know, even starting up my big motor. I do everything else with my kicker motor in the same spot. I have the start down there where I literally can be sitting in my chair, lower the kicker down, and start the motor and put it in gear. And 9 times out of 10 when it comes to steering with my kicker, I simply turn it just slightly offset so it steers my boat straight, and I'm almost always using my bow motor, my electric control with the remote to steer my boat. So it's not like I'm steering with that tiller handle at all. And secondly, you know, most of the throttle control stuff or changing speeds isn't done with a handle or this type of throttle. It's done with a secondary digital throttle control where I can be a lot more precise. And at the end of the day, my rods are right here, my electronics are right here, the two things that I'm gonna be focused in most on when I'm fishing. So that is one of the biggest reasons why I choose to have a remote style kicker versus a tiller handle.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.